Alright, so here we've got a fellow that's put a leaf filter on the house. It's unfortunate because he's got fir needles, as you can see, and it doesn't work very well. See the ditch being dug from these gutters overflowing everywhere because all the needles just pile up on top. Water doesn't make it to the gutter and just runs right on over the top. Give you a little bit better tour here because it's not just one spot. As you can see, there's plenty of trenches being dug everywhere, splattering all over the siding, causing rot and water damage there. Most importantly, it irritates the heck out of them because water doesn't go where it's supposed to go. As you can see, there aren't any big trees hanging directly overhead or anything like that. Just a normal situation. Not working at all. It's doing a great job again of keeping the gutters from plugging, but it feels the same because none of the water makes it in. As you can see, wraps around on the face of it too, so it just looks terrible. Oh yeah. Say he's not happy is an understatement. I'm going to rip all of this off. Start over again with Master Shield.